Karaga was coined from the word kalagan or kalak. Sa Bisaya, kalag. Sa English, soul. That's why this is called Caraga region, the region of the fearless people.
Thank you that we're able to showcase our history, our culture and heritage, and we're able to show as well to you, not the rest of the Caraga region. Yung heritage and culture and history, but what will make you proud that you are Filipinos. Significant itong araw na ito dahil ito po ay ika-28 Annual National Convention ng ating pong Vice Mayor's League of the Philippines. Ginanap dito sa Caraga.
Malaki po yung pasalamat namin. Maibigay po namin sa inyo lahat kung anong potential ng Caraga region. Kung paano po naging successful yung tourism industry po ng Caraga region through quality legislation.
We can overcome the barriers to basic education and create a better future for the Philippines. Together, we can change the educational landscape one Filipino learner at a time. We want to mold generations of nation builders who embody Filipino values and promote peace.
Ang panibagong advocacy ng BMLP ay ang pagsuporta sa programa ng ating presidente na tinatawag na full digitalization in all government entities. Ang BMLP ay mangunguna sa pagdevelop ng smart LGUs and smart communities starting in the local legislative bodies.
You should become an expert in whatever it is that you were best at. We have the capacity to transform the countryside, to provide the opportunities to all our citizens, and face the challenges of a very difficult and troublesome future.
Lahat ng gagawin po natin output-based. Ang ibig po sabihin ng output-based, dapat yung public value-driven siya. Ibig sabihin, ito yung kailangan ng mamamayan. Mga pagtitipon na ganito ng ating liga ay magresulta sa paghubog at pagtibay ng napagkaisahang legislative agenda para sa ating liga.
na pwedeng bitbitin ng ating mga vice mayors pag uwi natin doon sa ating kanya-kanyang mga local government units, sa ating kanya-kanyang mga konseho.
So with the right plans, with a good financial management, good governance will result to transparency, of course, with a strong political will.
Pero at the end of the day, what is the dream? I am very much interested in each dream of every one of you. And that is the power of the purse. That is the power of the budget. Never surrender that power.
Napakahalaga ng tungkulin ng mga vice mayor sapagkat kayo ang nagtitimon sa mga usapin at mga issues at mga plano ng isang bayan o kaya ng munisipalidad o ng syudad sapagkat kayo ang namumuno ng konseho.
Very first minute pa lang, naramdaman na namin yung talagang yung mainit na pagsalubong ng ating pong mga taga-Caraga, especially from Butuan. Believe ako, yung preparation, lahat ng opisina, lahat ng department, sa lahat talaga naman masasabi namin na well-prepared. Something like a different, parang bago sa amin. Hindi lang kami na-treat as parang vice mayor, kundi mas mataas na posisyon.
Gagawin po namin kung anong meron kami na makontribute sa buong Pilipinas. By hosting this 28th Annual National Convention, resolve po ito na pagtutulungan ng executive at legislative ng aming buong region.